Shivaya Gurve Namah, Shri Matre Namah. With the blessings of Lord Shiva and Ma Lalita Tripura Sundari, I welcome you all to our channel Healing Retreat, the sacred space for learning, healing, and divine transformation. So today we are back with a very powerful and incredible topic, which is very misunderstood about Ma Varahi and her Gupta Navratri, which are starting on this 26th June 2025 till 4th of July 2025. And in this conversation, I have invited my dear partner, Chrissy, who will be asking lots of questions about Ma Varahi, which most of you are looking forward to get answers for.
Yeah, hi Preeta. Like I've really noticed a lot of people who talk about Ma Varahi with fear. Like she's someone that you have to be careful of and not someone you can connect with. But honestly, many don't really know who she is and how to celebrate her during this Gupta Navaratri, which is really, really so sacred and so nice.
Yeah.
So if it's okay with you, we'd like to ask you a few questions. I think your answers will really bring a lot of clarity to many people who are listening to us right now. So people say, online says, oh, she's ugra, intense, even dangerous. Is she really that scary? Can a goddess like her hurt us?
That's such an important point you have just brought up, Chrissy. And I'm really glad you have asked me this question. So let me say this clearly for everyone who is watching this video. Ma Varahi is not someone you should fear from. She is someone to trust. She is the one of the most loving, protective, and powerful forms of the Divine Mother. And she's not here to harm you. She is here to guard you, guide you, and help you remove all the blocks in your life. May it be your emotional, energetical, or financial, or any spiritual blocks. She's here to guide you and remove all these blocks.
But why do people call her Ugra or fierce? And why do we always hear her stories of her killing demons?
Yeah, Chrissy, this is such a common misunderstanding. So let's decode it. Yes, Ma Varahi is fierce, but only towards negativity. She is like the lioness who is protecting her cubs. Would a mother harm her own child? No, never. So, in those of old Puranic stories where we hear Ma Varahi killing the demons, so she's not hurting people. She's only removing all the negative energies. So demons like Bhandasura or Vishanga represents what? They represent fear, addiction, self-hate, black magic, laziness, greed, cruelty, all these things that keep you small and stuck, right? So when Ma Varahi is killing these demons, she's actually killing the root cause of suffering inside us. And she clears our inner garden so that things can grow beautifully.
Wow, that's really beautiful, Preeta. I never thought of it that way. Yeah, it's imagine it's like it's all the negativities that's been removed actually.
Yeah.
So she is a form of Durga or Lalita Devi?
So, Chrissy, Ma Varahi is the action power of Ma Lalita Tripura Sundari, the supreme Shakti. So, Ma Lalita Devi gives us the wisdom. Rajashamla gives us the willpower. And Ma Varahi gives us the strength to act on it, to protect ourselves, to rise, to move forward. She's the one who does what needs to be done. She is a destroyer of all the delays in our life, the breaker of all the problems, all the blockages. So if you feel stuck anytime in your life, either it is mental, emotional, or even materially, Ma Varahi is someone you should call for her help. Whenever you call her for her help, she will remove all these negative blockages from your life.
Wow, this is really beautiful. I get it now, and I'm sure our viewers are also understanding about this, about Mahavarahi right now. But then what is Gupta Navaratri? Why is it called a secret?
Beautiful question, Chrissy. So normally we celebrate two Navratris, right? The Sharad Navratri that comes in October and the Chaitra Navratri which just went, which was in March. And these two Navratris are public, right? Where we do bhajans, we decorate, we call people. So that's community gathering. But Gupta Navratri means secret Navratri. In this, it is done very quietly, privately, often for deeper spiritual growth and siddhis or healings. That's why Ma Varahi and Ma Rajashamla are worshipped during this time, because their energies are very strong and they are hidden and they're very, very powerful. The ancient rishis have kept this Navratri secret because some people are not able to handle these powerful energies, and some people have actually misused these powers to harm others. But now, as many people are ready, this most special time is there to connect with Ma Varahi.
Yes, actually, that's true, Preeta, what you said. Like, it's not good to really misuse this power and, do evil on others, right? So that is why it was kept a secret. Now I understand. So I still hear some people say, don't do Gupta Navratri. It's dangerous. Why do they say that?
Yeah,
Because,
Chrissy. Yeah, Chrissy, even I have heard that, right? And here's the truth, people say that because they don't understand. Only they have heard those stories of people misusing it. But it's like the saying, don't use fire because it can burn you. But fire can burn you, but it can also give you the warmth, the light, the cooked food, right? So same is with Ma Varahi. If you approach her with that pure heart, she will never harm you. In fact, she will protect you with and more than anyone else. And the only time her energies become harsh is when you misuse her energies, you misuse her blessings to harm others. So stay pure, stay respectful and loving towards her, and she becomes your strongest divine shield.
wow, that's really so beautiful. She's really like a divine warrior and mother.
Exactly, Chrissy. And you rightly said it beautifully. She's the commander in chief of the Divine Mother's army. She fights against all the negativity that tries to come near you. And she'll bring good health, wealth, safety, and deep peace in your life if you worship her.
Okay, so that is really beautiful, Preeta. Now, before Preeta can go into a powerful meditation, I would like to inform you that if you want to connect more deeply with Ma Varahi, we already completed a paid Gupta Navaratri Sadhana workshop, and everything is available for you to experience in your own time and space. So this workshop includes the complete package, the PDF, the recordings, the mantra, audios, everything is given very clearly. Even the puja procedure in audio form is given to you. So if this resonates with you, and if you'd like to do the Mavarahi Gupta Navrati Sadhanas, which is starting tomorrow, the 26th June, then please contact us today. And we are sharing the contact number and the link to join our WhatsApp group in the caption, which is below. So Preeta, let's start the meditation now.
Yeah. So so tonight is Amavasya, right? The new moon. It's a quiet night, the sky is dark, and this is the perfect time to let go. Let go of your fears, let go of your pain, your stress, and the old energy that is being holding you back. So before starting, to enter in this Gupta Navratri, the 9 powerful nights to connect with Ma Varahi, the Divine Mother who helps us become more stronger, more lighter, and more peaceful. I would like to help you to prepare for this special experience that is a full body healing meditation. So this meditation will help you calm down, will help you balance and help you let go all your fears, pains, and any stress. So giving you, your body and mind, a deep, gentle healing from inside and outside. And the best part is you can do this meditation every day during this Navratri. Before, but anytime you feel low, tired, or disconnected. So now sit comfortably, take a deep, slow breath in. So let's start. So this is Ma Varahi's complete body healing. So now take a deep breath in and gently breathe out. Again, just gently take a deep breath in and gently breathe out. Last time, take a deep breath in. Gently breathe out. Now let's go down to Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha, please remove all the obstacles that can come in the way of this healing today. Gan Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gan Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gan Ganapataye Namaha. Now let's take permission for healing from our spirit guides, our Kula Devata, our Ishta Devata, our ancestors. Dear ancestors, spirit guides, Kula Devata and Ishta Devata, please give me permission and blessings for this healing today. Now let's call upon all the Gurus, Guru Adi Shankaracharya Ji. I call upon all the masters of Shri Vidya Parampara. I call upon all Guru Dattatreya, Gorakhnath, Machindranath. I call upon my Guruji, Shri Nityananda Baba of Ganeshpuri. Go down to Guru Dakshinamurti, Lord Narayana, the Creator, Brahma, Sanaka, Sananda, Sanatana, Sanat Kumara, Sanat Sujata, Guru Vaishishta, Guru Shakti, Guru Parashara, Guru Krishna Dvaipayana, Guru Paila, Guru Vaishampayana, Guru Jaimini, Guru Sumattu, Guru Shri Sukha, Guru Gaudapada, Shri Govinda, Shri Vidya Shankara, Shri Padmapada, Shri Hasta Malaka, Shri Trotaka, Shri Sureshwara, Shri Vidyaranya, and all the Gurus of Shri Vidya tradition. See their presence around you. Feel their blessing you for this healing today. I call upon all the divine yoginis, Ma Brahmi, Ma Maheshwari, Ma Kaumari, Ma Vaishnavi, Ma Varahi, Ma Mahendri, Ma Chamunde, and Ma Mahalakshmi. I call upon all these Ashtamatrikas, powers, from all the 8 directions of each of us, which are present in the first avarna of Meru Shri Yantra. Now, place your hands in the Chin Mudra and breathe in through your heart chakra. And while exhaling, see Divine Mother, Ma Varahi, in your heart chakra. Now bring your attention to your solar plexus chakra, to your sacral chakra, to your root chakra. your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your toes. Now bring your focus down to the Mother Earth, the Bhudevi, an aspect of divine Ma Varahi. Ask her, pray her, Ma Varahi, please give us the healing. Please give us the vitality. Please energize us. Please energize each and every cell, each and every tissue of my body. Now visualize the light, a white light, a bright white light, energy coming from the Mother Earth, entering your toes. From your toes, it is traveling up to your feet, to your calves, to your knees, to your thighs. Inhale these energies into your root chakra. Now inhale through your root chakra and chant Lam. So take a deep breath in. Lam. Now bring your energies up to your sacral chakra. Inhale from your sacral chakra and chant Vam. So take a deep breath in. Vam. Now bring your energies to your solar plexus chakra and let's chant Ram. So take a deep breath in. Ram. Now come to your heart chakra and chant Yam. So take a deep breath in. Yam. Now come up to your throat chakra and let's chant the Bij mantra Hum. So take a deep breath in. Hum. Now bring all these energies to your third eye chakra and let's chant Om. Take a deep breath in. Om. Now bring these energies to your crown chakra and say after me, Varahi Devyai Namaha. Varahi Devyai Namaha. Varahi Devyai Namaha. Now breathe in through your crown chakra. And as you inhale, let's chant Varahi. Varahi, 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 Varahi. Keep chanting. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. As I say this, keep chanting Varahi. Divine Ma Varahi, please manifest in the cells of each one of us. Please fill our cells. Please keep chanting. Please keep sending your energies into our cellular structure. And please dismantle, destroy the karmas. Divine Mother Varahi, Mother Varahi, Amma, Mother, please, please, we seek for your divine blessings. We seek for your divine grace. We are asking for your divine love and mercy, Ma. We are asking for your divine healing. We love you. We just want you, your grace, your blessings. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. Keep chanting. Varahi, 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 Varahi. Now, let's take our attention to our root chakra. Divine Ma Varahi, please, please heal my root chakra and fill all my organs connected to my root chakra with your divine healing energies. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. See Ma Varahi in your root chakra. She's balancing your root chakra. All the organs, all the reproductive organs around your root chakra are getting completely healed with Ma Varahi's energies. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. Now slowly bring your attention to your solar plexus chakra. Varahi, Varahi, Varahi. Divine Ma Varahi, fill the divine healing energy into my solar plexus chakra. All the organs near my solar plexus chakra are getting completely healed. They are completely getting energized with Ma Varahi's energies. See Ma Varahi in your solar plexus chakra. See her energies spreading around your lower abdomen, and all your organs in your lower abdomen are getting completely healed. See these energies flowing to each and every organ. Feel it. Now let's come to your solar plexus chakra. Dear Ma Varahi, please fill my solar plexus chakra with your divine energies. All the organs near my solar plexus chakra in my upper abdomen are completely healed with Ma Varahi's energies. Feel the Ma Varahi's energies spreading out from your solar plexus chakra, merging into each and every organ of your upper abdomen. All the organs in the upper abdomen are getting completely healed with Ma Varahi's energies. Now slowly come to your heart chakra, your Anahat chakra. Varahi, 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 Varahi. See Ma Varahi in your heart chakra. See her energies flowing from your heart chakra into all the organs in your heart chakra, near your heart chakra. They're getting completely filled. Each and every cell, each and every tissue is getting completely healed, completely filled with Ma Varahi's energies. Now slowly bring your focus to your throat chakra. Varahi, 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 Varahi. See Ma Varahi's energy spreading in your throat chakra beautifully, healing each and every organ of your throat chakra, your thyroid glands, all the different glands, all the organs, all the tissues, all the cells of your throat chakra, near your throat chakra, are getting beautifully healed with Ma Varahi's divine energies. Now bring your attention to your third eye chakra. Varahi, 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 Varahi. See all the energies of Divine Mother Varahi spreading around your forehead from your third eye chakra, energizing, charging each and every cell, each and every tissue of your forehead. Now bring your attention to your crown chakra. Varahi, 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 Varahi. Now breathe. Take a deep breath in. Take all the energies of Ma Varahi, the boar-faced Varahvadana, Divine Ma Varahi. Thank you for all the energy. Your whole body is now filled with Ma Varahi's energies. Now, as I take the name of each organ, visualize that organ, that part of your body is getting healed. The boar-faced Varahavadana, Divine Ma Varahi, thank you for protecting my eyes. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Andhini, thank you for protecting my ears. Bring your attention to your ears. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Rupini, heartfelt gratitudes for protecting my nose. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of mesmerizing Mohini, thank you for protecting my tongue. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Stambhini, thank you for protecting my throat. Recreator of the universe, Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Panchami, please heal my shoulders. Thank you for healing my shoulders. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Mahisha Vahana, thank you for healing my upper arms. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Simharuda, thank you for healing my arms, my lower arms. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Krishna Mriganachita, thank you for healing my chest. Bring your attention to your chest and see Divine Krishna Mriganachinta healing your chest. Divine Ma Varahi, thank you for healing my upper chest with your bow and the pestle-shaped conch. Ma Varahi, in the form of Shankhini, thank you for protecting my navel. The disc welding Ma Varahi, in the form of Chakrini, thank you for protecting my back. The sword yielding Ma Varahi, in the form of Khadgini, I am so grateful for protecting my hips. The reproductive organs are protected by Ma Khetini. Ma Khetini, thank you for protecting my reproductive organs. The anal region is protected by Ma Krodhini. Thank you, Ma Varahi, in the form of Stambhini, for protecting my buttocks. Divine Ma Varahi, thank you for protecting my knees in the form of Ma Shatrumardini. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Chando Chanda, thank you for protecting my thighs. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Bhadrakali, thank you for protecting my calf muscles. Ma Varahi, in the form of Mahakali, has protected our ankles. So offer our gratitude to Ma Mahakali. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Unmatta Bhairavi, who has protected our heels, feet and toes. Divine Ma Varahi, in the form of Kal Sankarshani, has protected all our body parts. Ma Varahi, in the form of Ma Kala Sankarshani, thank you for protecting and healing all our body parts. Thank you for healing us. Thank you for healing us. Thank you for healing us. Now you can fold your hands in the Namaste Mudra, or you can actually sit in Ma Varahi Mudra, and Chrissy will be chanting Ma Varahi Kavacham.
Varahi Asya Shri Varahi Kavachasya Trilochana Rishihi Anushtup Chandaha Shri Varahi Devata Om Bijam Glaum Shaktihi Swaheti Kilakam Mama Sarvashatru Nashanarte Jape Viniyoga. Dhyanam. Dhyatvedra Neela Varnabam Chandra Suryagnilocanam Vidhi Vishnu Harendradi Matru Bhairava Vesatam Jwalan Manigana Prokta Makutama Vilambitam Astra Shastrani Sarvani Tatatkaryochitani Cha Etais Samastair Vividam Vibratim Musalam Halam Patva Himsran Hi Kavacham Bhukti Mukti Palapradam Pate Trisandhyam Rakshartam Gora Shatru Nivrittidam Vartalime Shirah Patu Gora Hi Palamuttamam Netre Varaha Vadana Patu Karnau Tatanjani Granam me Rundini Patu Mukam me Patu Jantini Patu me Mohini Jivam Stambini Kantamadarat Skandhau me Panchami Patu Pujau Mahishavahana Simharuda Karau Patu Uchau Krishna Mriganchita Nabim Chashankini Patrupa Prishta Deshe tu Chakrini Khadgam Patu Chakatyam Medram Patu Chakedini Udam me Krodini Patu Jaganam Stambini Tata Chando Chandaschuru Yukam Janani Shatrumardini जाङ्गद्वयं भद्रकाली महाकाली च गुल्फयो पदज्ञाङ्गुलिपर्यन्तं पातु चुन्मत्तभैरवी सर्वाङ्गं मे सदा पातु कलसङ्कर्षणि तथा युक्तयुक्तस्थितं नित्यं सर्वपापप्रमुच्यते सर्वसामर्थ्यसंयुक्तं भक्तरक्षणतत्परम् समस्तदेवता सर्वं सव्यं विष्णु पुरर्धने सर्वशत्रुविनाशाय शूलिना निर्मितं पुरा सर्वभक्तजनश्रित्य सर्वविद्वेषसंहति वाराही कवचं नित्यं त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठे नरः ततःविधं भूतगाना न स्पृशन्ति कदाचन अपदशत्रुचोरादि ग्रहोत्साश्च सम्भवा मतपुत्रं यथा वत्सं धेनुपक्ष्मेव लोचनं तथाङ्गमेव वाराही रक्षति सर्वदा इति श्रीवाराही कवचं सम्पूर्णम्.
Thank you, Prissy. Now, let's pray gratitude to all the gods and goddesses whom we have invoked during the healing today. Thank you for being there. Thank you for guiding us and blessing us. Thank you to our spirit guides, Kula Devata, Ishta Devata, our ancestors, for guiding us, blessing us in this healing today. And thank you to each and everyone in this session who has received the healing beautifully, for being present for this healing today. And if we have done any mistakes, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. And let's say, Shri Umayai Namaha, Shri Umayai Namaha, Shri Umayai Namaha. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Lots of love and gratitude. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now you can slowly rub your hands. Create that energy in your hands. Pass it to your eyes, to your whole face, to your whole body. Again, rub your hands. And see in your hands, and then open your eyes.
Thank you, Preeta, for this beautiful meditation. It felt so calming, deeply relaxing. It was really, really beautiful. And, like you feel like a gentle hug from the Divine Mother herself. I could truly feel Ma Varahi's presence in every breath.
Thank you everyone for joining us in this space today. May Ma Varahi's love and protection always guide you. May her energies flow through your body, your heart, and your life, bringing strength and divine clarity. And if you feel called to deepen this journey with us, don't forget the complete Gupta Navratri Sadhana workshop is available, and all the details are given in the caption below. So until we meet again in another sacred session, stay blessed, stay connected, and always remember the power to heal and rise is always within you. Shivaya Guruve Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. Thank you, thank you, thank you.